Top 5 best rechargeable tactical flashlight options can be the difference between staying prepared when visibility disappears or struggling when every second counts. Welcome to the channel, where smarter gear helps you face the unexpected with confidence. Stay with us to discover the strongest picks, then check the links in the description to find the flashlight that fits your needs. Starting at number 5 is a flashlight built for one challenge many buyers underestimate until they actually need it. A powerful beam means very little if it cannot adapt to changing situations. That is where the PHIXTON Rechargeable Flashlight begins to separate itself. Its adjustable focus quickly transforms from a concentrated spotlight for long-distance visibility into a broad flood beam for nearby work, giving you two practical lighting solutions in one compact tool. Here is something worth remembering. A flashlight with adjustable beam control often proves more useful than one that only advertises higher brightness, because real situations rarely require the same lighting pattern. The long-lasting rechargeable battery helps reduce interruptions, while the 4-level battery indicator gives you a clearer picture of remaining power before leaving home. USB-C charging and emergency power bank capability add another layer of usefulness when other devices need energy just as badly as your flashlight does. Built from aviation-grade aluminum with dependable water resistance, it is ready for demanding outdoor conditions. Its only real compromise is slightly more bulk than ultra-compact pocket lights. But the next contender approaches preparedness from a completely different direction. Coming in at number 4 is an option designed for those who value speed as much as brightness. When an emergency happens, complicated controls can slow you down more than a weak beam. RECHOO Rechargeable Flashlight solves that frustration with a simple 3-mode interface that lets you reach the lighting level you need without cycling endlessly through unnecessary settings. The zoomable beam also makes it easy to switch between broad area lighting and focus distance illumination, making it equally useful for camping, roadside emergencies, household tasks, and everyday carry. Here is a practical insight. Simpler controls often improve real-world usability because you spend less time operating the flashlight and more time solving the problem in front of you. USB-C charging eliminates disposable batteries, while the lightweight design fits comfortably into a pocket, backpack, or glove compartment. Rugged military-grade construction and IP65 water resistance provide confidence during rough weather. Although it offers fewer brightness modes than some competitors, its straightforward operation makes it refreshingly efficient. The next flashlight, however, focuses on helping you avoid a different problem entirely before it ever happens. Halfway through the ranking, the focus shifts from brightness to preparation. Few things are more frustrating than discovering your flashlight battery is nearly empty after you have already stepped into the dark. That is exactly where the TrixHub Rechargeable Flashlight shines. Its real-time LCD battery display keeps you informed at a glance, allowing you to monitor remaining power before every outing. Fast USB charging further reduces downtime, while built-in charging protection adds reassurance during everyday use. One useful buying tip is simple. Checking your battery percentage before leaving home is one habit that can prevent countless headaches during emergencies. The adjustable zoom beam transitions effortlessly between wide coverage and long-distance visibility, giving you flexibility across camping trips, hiking adventures, maintenance work, and night patrols. The aircraft-grade aluminum body also provides impressive durability without becoming cumbersome to carry. The only trade-off is occasionally cycling through 5 lighting modes to reach your preferred setting. If one of these flashlights already feels like the right fit, you'll find every option linked in the description below. Still, the next model introduces even greater performance when poor weather becomes your biggest obstacle. Taking the number 2 position is a flashlight created for situations where visibility itself becomes the enemy. Heavy rain, thick fog, or blowing dust can dramatically reduce how much you actually see, even with an ordinary bright flashlight. Shadowhawk Rechargeable Flashlight tackles that challenge with an intense beam capable of reaching deep into low-visibility environments while still switching smoothly into a broad flood pattern for nearby work. One useful observation many buyers overlook is that adjustable focus often replaces the need to carry separate spotlights and floodlights, reducing the amount of gear you need. Long battery life, USB-C charging, emergency power bank capability, and an easy-to-read battery indicator all contribute to dependable readiness. The rugged aluminum body and IP67 water resistance make it well-suited for demanding outdoor use. It is slightly larger than minimalist everyday carry lights, but that added size supports impressive capability. Only one flashlight remains, and it brings together everyday practicality with reliable performance in a remarkably balanced package. Claiming the top position is the CHILDBOT Rechargeable Flashlight. A flashlight becomes far more valuable when it keeps you informed as well as illuminated. And that combination is exactly what makes this model stand out. Its bright adjustable beam handles both close-range and long-distance tasks with ease, while the LCD battery display removes the uncertainty of wondering how much runtime remains before you head outside. Another practical lesson worth remembering is that knowing your battery status beforehand is often more valuable than carrying extra batteries you may never use. Fast USB-C charging, power bank capability, IP67 water resistance, and a durable aviation-grade aluminum body make it ready for everything from camping and emergencies to everyday outdoor use. Cycling through 5 lighting modes requires a little extra input, but that small compromise is outweighed by its balanced mix of brightness, durability, versatility, and long runtime. It finishes the ranking by delivering dependable performance wherever reliable illumination matters most. After comparing every option, our overall winner is the Shadowhawk Rechargeable Flashlight. Although CHILDBOT earns the top ranking for its excellent all-around balance, Shadowhawk stands out by combining exceptional brightness, long-range performance, dependable battery life, rugged construction, and practical emergency features into the strongest overall package. CHILDBOT is an excellent choice for everyday preparedness, TrixHub is ideal if battery monitoring matters most, RECHOO is perfect for compact everyday carry, and FieXTON delivers excellent value for budget-conscious buyers. You'll find links to every flashlight featured in the description below. Share which one would make it into your emergency kit. And keep choosing gear that helps you stay ready, stay confident, and never let darkness catch you unprepared.